Hey everybody, this is Kevin from Texas Yardman and More, and today I am out here doing some work in my flower beds, and just figured out what I'm getting my beds ready, and I figured I'd show you a lot of pulling of weeds and getting the beds ready. And I had planted some perennial flowers the last year, and some of these, they do come back. I mean, a perennial is just that, it comes back. However, sometimes they can get snuffed out by weeds that grow in the area, but I've cleared my beds out, and I'm getting this area ready to plant some more seeds. So any of the areas that don't have anything in it, I'm going to prep these beds, get them ready, and throw down some fresh seed. And by the end of well, I should say probably within early to mid-summer, these should all be grown up, and I'll have beautiful flowers here for the bees to use for pollinating. And this side here, all of this is hedge parsley, and I have to pull all of this out by hand. This is kind of a invasive species. It's a weed, and it'll grow white flowers on it. This whole area is just covered in here, but you can see I've got some plants in here that will grow pretty flowers, and you want to keep this stuff. You can see it's all the new growth that has shot up in here, and I've got some more plants right in here mixed in around this hedge parsley is grown up around it. So I'm going to clear all of this out, and we're going to plant the new seed in here in these beds. So we're getting everything ready, and figured I'd come out here and just show you. So this side has been untouched, the right side here, and this side I've cleared out pretty much. I still got to go back and pick out some more weeds in between here. I got some ant hills that have grown up in here. I got to knock those down with a shovel or a hoe. There's another smaller mound. And we're going to just kind of get everything ready, get all the soil laid flat. And we're going to do the same over here. I'll show you when all of this is done, and then we get ready to plant. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are. I've got the right side cleaned out, and I did not remove everything because some of these are actually flowering plants. And so I left these. Those are the ones that I thought are flowering plants. But I did clean out both sides here to prep them for the new flower seeds. So it looks really good, and I'm going to use a cultivator tool to kind of break up this soil in here to loosen it, to prep it for the seeds. So one of the things I did want you to know, if you're unsure of if this is a flowering plant or not, you can download an app to your phone if you have a smartphone, and I use Plant ID. It's free. What it does is you take a picture of the plant that you want to ID, and it'll give you the possibilities of what it might be and the percentages of what the app thinks it is. So it's one way you can determine what your plants are. And like I said, it helped me to ID these to see whether or not they are. I'm going to go research the pictures that I did take, and if for some reason it does turn out to be a weed, then I just pull them up, and then I plant the new ones, the new seeds. And like I said, I did plant perennials in here before, so just have fun with it. Get your flower beds all cleaned out. Today was a cooler day, so I decided to take advantage of it. But when I get to go to the next step, I'll come back. Alright, I'm back, and this is a tool that works wonders in your garden. It's great for cultivating, breaking up loose soil, and it also aerates. You can use this on your lawn to poke holes into it. If you got any areas that are compact with clay, these work really good to break up, put holes into the ground so that the root system can grow deeper, and it helps to break up the soil as well. So I'm planning on using this right here in my flower beds, and these work great. You just bought this off of Amazon. It was roughly 30 bucks or so, and it comes in 3 sections. They screw in, so you just simply put it in and then screw it down to the right. And it's got this nice handle on here, kind of like some of your other tools. And this part also comes on, and these are the screws to clamp everything down nice and tight. These come separate. It took me less than 2 minutes to set this up. So you simply just rock it back and forth, and it allows you to get in to areas that need to be having the soil loosened up. And I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but I'll step back and should be able to see it from there. So I can go into this area in here and break it up. And I tell you what, this works really good. Come over here, do the same thing. And these work wonderful. So now you have your soil loosened up, and then you're prepping it for the seeds. So once you get it all done, we'll come back and throw the seed. By the way, I'll put the link for this in the description of the video. And you can also take out this center part so that you can go in between rows. Let's say you're in a garden and you've got vegetables growing. You can take out this center piece so that you can go between the rows. Pretty neat little gadget. Alright, we're back. I've got the soil all broke up. Now I've got my bag of seeds, and I'm just simply going to spread them. And this is a perennial wildflower mix. That means it comes back every year. And there's over 25,000 seeds in this bag. So I'm just simply going to take a handful, and I'm just going to spread them out. And I mix them in. This is all going to be covered with flowers. And we'll just start with this side first. Make sure you get right up along the sidewalk line here. And I've got one more of these bags for this side. So I'm just going to use the whole thing right on this side. And I'm going to be very generous. There we have it. So now the next step is to kind of rake it in. Want to make sure that those seeds get covered up. Okay, so that's all you got to do, and I'm going to repeat the same process on this side, but if you're looking for some beautiful flowers by the time summer rolls around, this is what you got to do. And you want to make sure you water these in, keep it watered regularly till you start to see these flowers come in and they start to establish themselves, and you'll have a beautiful flower garden. And get you the perennials because they come back every year. So they produce seed. You get your beds ready in the next year. And you can already see that some of these have duplicated or replicated. And that just started out with a handful of seeds. And now you can see it. And these will produce a really pretty purple flower on them. And this is trumpet vine here. And these are, I started out with one and I've already got 4 already. So they spread out, and now I've got 2 big bushes with a 3rd one there that's not as big as these 2, but it'll grow like crazy. So enjoy yourself, have fun. Doesn't take much, just a simple tool like this. And one of the things I wanted to point out is it does come with instructions, so it's super easy to do. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for the next video. Thanks a lot. Take care.